What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install and run Windows 11 ARM based operating system on the latest macOS Tahoe. Right now I am using Apple Mac Mini M4, the base variant, and now in this Apple Mac Mini I am going to run the Windows 11 operating system virtually using the VirtualBox. So in this video guide, I'm going to step by step guide you that how you can run Windows 11 operating system on Mac OS using the VirtualBox. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you have to download the VirtualBox application. For that, open up any of your browser and search on Google for VirtualBox. Then go to the VirtualBox official website and download the VirtualBox application from here based on the Intel chip or the Apple Silicon chip. I am using Mac Mini M4, that's why I'm gonna download the Apple Silicon chip. Then from here you have to download this VirtualBox extension pack also, because it's gonna give us some extra feature in our VirtualBox. When the downloading get completed, double click on the VirtualBox DMG file, then double click on this package file, then simply install it on your Mac OS. And after the installation, open up this VirtualBox extension pack with the VirtualBox, then click on install, and this extension pack should be added to VirtualBox. And now you need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. So open up your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO for ARM. Then go to this link and download the Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, once the downloads get completed, now to create a Windows 11 virtual machine, click on New on your VirtualBox Manager. Then give your VM name Windows 11. Then click on ISO image, click on Others, and select the ISO file of Windows 11 operating system, whatever you downloaded. Here I'm going to select the Windows 11 ISO file, which is ARM based. Then click on Open. Then from here, untick this option. Go to Specify Virtual Hardware. Assign the RAM size to your virtual machine. I'm going to give it 4 GB. And also you can add the CPU core. I'm going to give here 2 CPU cores. Then go to Specify Virtual Hard Disk. And here I'm going to allocate 80 GB. Then click on Finish. Now go to Settings. Then go to Network. Then from the net, I'm going to select Bridge Adapter. And also from here, I'm going to select the Ethernet, not the Wi-Fi. Then click on OK. Then just simply click on Start. And it should open a virtual machine with the Windows 11 ISO file. Now press any key to boot from the CD and drive. And now here you can see our virtual machine is starting from the ISO file. Now from this page, select your language and time and currency format. Then click on Next. Select the keyboard settings. Then Next. Agree the license agreement and make sure to select Install Windows 11. Then click on Next. If you don't have any product key, click on I don't have a product key. Select the variation of your Windows 11 operating system. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Then click on Next. Then accept the license agreement. Select the virtual hard disk drive and click on Next. Then Install. And now it should start installing the Windows 11 operating system as a virtual machine in VirtualBox on your Mac OS. So it's going to take a while, so you have to wait until the installation get completed. Once the installation get completed, you will get this screen on your Windows 11 virtual machine. From here, select your country, then yes, then select your keyboard layout and yes, and like this complete all the basic setup for Windows 11. Once you get this screen, if you want, you can log in with your Microsoft account to add your Microsoft account on this virtual machine. And if you don't want to use online account, if you want to use offline account, on your keyboard press Shift F10 and it will open up this command prompt. Now from here you need to type start ms-cxh clone local only. Then press enter. Then type here a local username. Then scroll down. Then click on next. Once you get this screen, turn off the settings. Then click on accept. Here you can see now we have successfully installed Windows 11 operating system in our virtual machine. But if you try to make it full screen, it will not work. To make it full screen, follow me. Click on Devices. Then click on Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Then get back to your Windows 11 virtual machine. Open up File Explorer. Click on this PC. And here you will get a CD DVD drive VirtualBox Guest Edition image. Double click on it, scroll down, and from here run this ARM4 exe. Then click on yes. Then follow the installation. Now click on finish and it will reboot your Windows 11 virtual machine. Once your Windows 11 operating system gets restarted, click on view, then go to full screen mode, then click on switch. And guys, here you can see now our Windows 11 operating system get full screened. Now if you want to make it more small, just click here. Here you can see it gets small, and if you want to make it full screen, click here, then switch, and it will get full screen. And now if you want to set the resolution, right click on your desktop, go to display settings, then from here select the resolution and make it double. And guys, here now we are running Windows 11 operating system in macOS virtually using the VirtualBox. So guys, that's how you can easily run Windows 11 operating system on your macOS based on Apple Silicon chip. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.